Hi.
Kailangan ko pa yung resibo.
Bigay ko na lang sa'yo ulit.
Okay.
Oy, eat na, all of you. Okay. Pinakita lang sa akin.
Yo, Loki, that shit smells so good. No cap. What the frick?
Yeah, it's grilled. Sarap, may fish
Bro,
sila.
grilled salmon is crazy. Give me that.
Ma, can you pass mine?
How I wish we could have food like this every day. Okay,
Shit,
well,
good as
okay.
hell, bro. Yo, fried chicken.
Oh, where's your rice?
Kayo lang, hindi ako mag-rice. Di ba yung diabetes ko? I worry about my diabetes.
Oh my god, I'm
Just give me a little bit.
Oh no, I don't like ampalaya. You know that?
That's all.
Bitter like a
That's
stick.
Ilocano. Ano yan? Ilocano
Deli?
ka pinakbit
Wait,
yan.
where'd you get the fork?
Ilocano pinakbit yan. Hey, wait, you listen to me. I have to give you, I have to make you eat this while you're eating. Huh? Wait, this is mineral. Baby, may manganese yan. May ano, manganese, magnesium, and different minerals pa. Pampalaki ng bones
You
mo.
look, I got a leg.
Baby,
bro.
lalaki pa yung buto nyo. Please help mo. Johnny,
Dude, that's-
kailangan magkaroon pa
I'm gonna
kayo
get
ng
the title.
clothes.
I wake
Ano ba?
up.
Ito, I like this. Yan. Oh, baby, put down your phone na. Ikaw talaga. Oh, bless you.
Johnny,